Back to the channel, we're going to look right into the crypto market and see what's going on. We're looking at Ethereum. We're going to see how Ethereum is going to perform moving forward and how all the other altcoins are going to move along with the entire crypto market. So this is a quick view, quick insights into the crypto market as a whole. Also going over the news. So if you'd like to get quick updates on what's happening in the market and what's going on in the news really fast in a video with no baloney in between, hit the thumb up, hit the subscribe. That's what I'm all about on this channel. Also, if you want to retire young, you can do so by subscribing because I talk about crypto and stocks, which are going to help you get closer to that. Now, looking at the market here, the last bear market before the current one we're in, we came all the way down. We hit the orange line, came up. New bear market we're in right now, hit the orange line. So we're going to look into today's video. Are we confirming that we're going to run up again? And if we are, how high is it going to go? So let's dig right into that right now. So I'm looking at Ethereum. And let's zoom in. I made some adjustments to my red triangle to where it's more perfect, and we are getting close to breaking out of it. But key move, we broke out of the 1676 ceiling that I really hated a lot. We were in this ceiling since here, November of 2022, and we finally broke out of it, okay, right here. We peaked out of it. Now the next challenge is the red triangle roof and 1780, which is the next ceiling. I'll tighten that up as we get closer to it, but right now that is our ceiling. So crypto is looking really good. We've had moments of profit taking and selling off, and then we shot right back up. A lot of it happened in here, a lot of day trading and swing trading, the sell off, and then we're right back up. Those day trading, they're making some money, but you're losing your average every time you sell. I have some great averages where I've been buying down in this zone. So I have strong feelings that this is the bottom of the bear market, and we're going to slowly grind up, and then we're going to have aggressive moves, 20, 30% days, and then we're going to have our blow off top where everything just goes insane like we did, what was it, a year and a half ago when Doge was running all the way up to 75 cents and everything was going crazy, ETH up to 5,000, Bitcoin 70,000. We're going to have that move again in this next bull market. Now, let's not be all positive and optimistic about it. Let's always keep in mind that this orange trend line here that we've been holding forever, if it breaks, crypto's in a dark, dark place. So let's not talk about that today because we have moved away from that line. Now we're concerned about the top of the red triangle. Let's jump in the news real quick, and then I'm going to go over where this can push to based on the momentum of the movement of the markets and how it moved in the previous bull runs. So this isn't just a guess. A lot of crypto channels, they say, oh, ETH to $20 million or whatever. Bitcoin, $7 million. Astronomical, ridiculous numbers. All right, so first let's look at the news because we want to know what's the top story in crypto. Bad news happening, good news. There's good news happening. That's why we're getting a nice pump. And crypto is very sensitive to news. So the news today, Bitcoin Ordinals can lift the entire crypto ecosystem. So Bitcoin is now attempting with its new protocol to incorporate NFTs. Let's quickly read this. The arrival of Ordinals, which enables users to inscribe references to digital art into small transactions of the Bitcoin blockchain, essentially creating NFTs for Bitcoin. So this demonstrates use cases for Bitcoin other than store of value. And this is a positive move for Bitcoin to create more use cases for it. So that's cool. That's great. A lot of other cryptocurrencies have plenty of use cases. Ethereum, I love Cosmos, you know, your Decentraland, your Sandbox. They all have use cases. They're all generating revenues. Bitcoin is just a place to store your money. So they're trying to create some value out of it. And Ordinals is a way to do that. So that's one thing to watch and possibly why we are pumping a little bit. So Ethereum did clear 1,700, which is very bullish. We're getting a slight pullback now because people are running into it, trying to buy after it ran, and now profit takers are coming in. And then those people that just bought are now selling, and it just creates a little mini waterfall effect because they don't get it. You're supposed to buy when it's down on red days, buy on discounts. You don't go to the store and buy when stuff's marked up. You want to buy it when stuff's marked down. If you know crypto is going to be the future, then buy on discount. Don't buy when the price is raised. Get it when it's not inflated. You don't want to buy eggs when they're 14 for 12. You want to buy eggs where it's $6 for a dozen. Okay? So get that discount. All right, so where do I think this is going to go? Based on its previous trajectories, all right? We've come up, we've come down, we've come up, we've come down. Where are we going to go? So the way I'm going to gauge this is looking at previous bull runs and previous bear markets. Okay, we could see that every bull cycle has become less aggressive, less of a return because more money's flowing in. Eventually, it's going to slow down and slow down and slow down, right? For example, look at this. The bull market of 2017, 20,000%. Now, that's because it was extremely cheap. Small market cap, so money flows in, 20 million flows in, you're getting a big movement. Now we have billion-dollar companies. You funnel billions in, it's not as noticeable as it would be in 2017. All right, so 20,000%. The next bull run was 5,500%. So let's say we have a 2,500%. Let's chop it in half. That's on the low end. 2,500% from the bottom here. We're looking at 30,000 for Ethereum. On the low end, okay? That's a 2,500%. Half of the last market. And the market before that was a 4x. So it was a quarter of the previous one. So if we move up half of that, and that's the low end, we could go much higher than that. All right, in this bull market, we're looking at 2,500% increase, which is 30,000 Ethereum. So let's draw Ethereum to 30,000. So we're coming down, we're coming up, and then we're coming back down for the next bear market. So 30,000 Ethereum. If you want to see how some altcoins would be doing, I'm going to check out my Atom. Let's say 2,500% on Atom, which would be pretty crazy. $200 for Atom. I've seen price targets as crazy as $400 for Atom, but this is just based on the previous cycles. So let's draw a line here to that point, and it actually makes sense with the trend line. That could be the ceiling. So looking really good, great numbers. Hopefully that prediction plays out, because if it does, everyone listen to this, even though it's like 50 of you, we're going to be very wealthy. And if it doesn't, okay, it doesn't. But I believed in crypto, and that's why I invested in it. Now I'm going to go claim my rewards on my Cosmos. I'm making like $10 a day, which is pretty good. It's just free money. I claim it every day. It's fun. So I'm going to go do that. And again, if you like the video, hit the thumb up, hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching. And when you hit that subscribe, it's going to help you get a little bit closer to retiring young, because you're investing in crypto and you're investing in stocks. See you later.